Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Kids Weather Station is probably one of the most engaging and educational tools for children aged 8 to 12, sparking their curiosity about meteorology and the natural world around them. It allows kids to actively participate in observing and recording weather changes, fostering a deeper understanding of science concepts and encouraging a lifelong love for learning and exploration while having fun. This video will help you choose the perfect weather station to suit your child's interests and needs. Number 5. Be Amazing. Weather Science Lab. It's time to explore the fascinating world of weather. This kit will guide your child on an exciting journey of discovery, teaching them how to understand and predict weather patterns. With 20 all-season activities, it's perfect for any climate. It's packed with fun and educational projects to keep your child engaged and learning all year round. Learn how to create a cloud in a bottle, measure temperature and atmospheric pressure with real scientific tools. It's hands-on science at its best. It helps you identify different types of clouds and even make fluffy snow without freezing temperatures. It's amazing what you can learn. Whether it's raining or shining, this kit provides endless opportunities for learning and exploration. Set up a weather station indoors or take the experiments outside. It encourages note-taking for accurate forecasts, developing valuable observation and analytical skills. It's more than just fun, it's educational. What we like. It comes with 20 all-season projects, covering a wide range of weather subjects. If you are looking for a comprehensive and engaging weather learning experience for your child, this is the perfect choice. It boosts cognitive skills through hands-on activities, making learning fun and effective for kids aged 8 and up. What people say. All the tools needed for our homeschool co-op class, meteorology. Experiments easy to follow and can be used along with the kids' meteorology book. Separate purchase fun activities. It's got all your basics, a thermometer, wind gauge, DIY barometer and supplies to make a tornado in a bottle. Product works great. We are still doing finishing touches on this project, but kit makes everything easier for kids and adults to figure out. Number 4. Learning Resources Weather Center Kit. It's a great way to introduce kids to the fascinating world of meteorology. They can learn about barometric pressure, humidity, and temperature, all while having fun. This kit has everything you need to measure barometric pressure, relative humidity, and air temperature. It's perfect for budding scientists. Each instrument is easy to use and understand, even for young children. The activity guide provides clear instructions and explanations. It sparks curiosity and encourages kids to explore the world around them. It's a fun and educational way to learn about weather. Everything is included in one convenient kit. You get a barometer, thermometer, hygrometer, and an activity guide to get started. It's designed for children aged 5 and up. It's a perfect gift for any child interested in science and weather. What we like. This kit is multifunctional, measuring barometric pressure, humidity, and temperature. If your child is curious about meteorology and enjoys hands-on learning, this is a great option. The all-inclusive design and activity guide make it easy to use and understand, suitable for ages 5 and up. What people say. This set has been fantastic for learning in homeschool. The kids can handle the parts individually or as a whole, and it is fairly easy to read. My kids and I love this thing. The circular parts come out and come with little stands if you'd like. Or you can keep them popped into the blue carrying case. Bought this just before a hurricane. The barometer worked great. Nice basic teaching set. Checked against more expensive meters and there was little error. Number 3. Original Stationery Weather Kit. It's everything you need to build your own weather station. Learn about sundials, thunderstorms, and wind turbines with this comprehensive kit. Explore weather and climate with 26 engaging experiments and games. It's a fun way to learn about the water cycle, temperature, and more. Uncover the mysteries of weather. Discover fascinating facts about clouds, seasons, and weather patterns in the included booklet. Get ready for hours of screen-free fun. This kit provides 62 pieces for weather crafts and games, both indoors and outdoors. It's the perfect gift to inspire creativity and scientific curiosity. This kit encourages kids to think critically and learn about science through hands-on activities. What we like. It includes 26 engaging experiments and games, keeping kids entertained while they learn. If you're looking for a fun and educational way to teach your child about weather, this is a great choice. It provides hours of educational fun, perfect for kids aged 10 to 12 who enjoy hands-on learning and creative activities. What people say. Over 60 pieces, including weather-themed toys and experiment materials. 26 plus exciting experiments to explore extreme weather and scientific concepts. The experiments are well designed, easy to set up, and most importantly, fun. Number 2. 4M Weather Station Kit. Uncover the secrets of meteorology with this comprehensive weather station. It's a fantastic way to learn about weather patterns and climate. This kit has everything you need: a wind vane, anemometer, thermometer, and rain gauge. You'll be measuring wind speed, direction, temperature, and rainfall in no time. Use the kit and a recycled bottle to create a terrarium. It's a great way to observe the greenhouse effect on plants. It's fully assembled and measures 8.5 by 4.75 inches, perfect for any desk or shelf. The simple design makes it easy for kids to use and understand. It's a fun and educational gift for children 8 and up. It sparks curiosity and encourages scientific exploration. 4M offers a wide variety of educational toys, from science kits to arts and crafts. There's something for every curious mind. What we like. This kit offers a full set of basic weather tools, including a wind vane, anemometer, thermometer, and rain gauge. If you want a compact and functional weather station for your child to learn about weather conditions, this is ideal. The included terrarium allows for studying the greenhouse effect, adding an extra layer of learning for kids aged 8 and up. What people say. We have tested this product with both the suggested dirty water and water colored with food coloring, and it worked on both cases. It should be noted, however, that the filtering materials are very small quantities, so using a big amount of water, dirt, or colors will make it less efficient faster. I would suggest to do the test with small amounts. I think 50 milliliters is more than enough to demonstrate the principle. For the dyed water I ended up using only 20 milliliters. Arrived when expected. Easy to assemble. Worked as described. I received this today in our R&D lab and assembled it right away. Had 2 issues that once corrected, the unit works just fine. First, they provide a detailed instruction sheet and it is simple to follow. They clearly show the red wire at the bottom right rear and the black on the other terminal. After assembly the light would not light up. As an engineer, I immediately started troubleshooting and found that if it was spun backwards the LED would light up. Number 1. Brookstone Children's Weather Station. It's a fun and educational gift for children. Let's explore its features and how it works. This compact weather station includes a wind vane, anemometer, rain gauge, compass, and thermometer. Everything you need in one place. Simply use the ground stake to set it up in your backyard. It's that easy to start learning about weather. It's a fantastic parent-child activity. Create lasting memories while learning together outdoors. The included learning guide provides clear explanations, definitions, and fun facts about weather and meteorology. It will spark your child's interest in science. This weather station makes learning about weather fun and engaging for kids aged 8 and up. Get ready to explore the wonders of meteorology. What we like. It's an all-in-one design with a wind vane, anemometer, rain gauge, compass, and thermometer, making it easy to set up and use. If you are looking for a simple yet comprehensive weather station for parent-child bonding, this is a great option. The included learning guide enhances the educational value, making it perfect for kids aged 8 and up who enjoy outdoor activities. What people say. This is a must-have for any kiddo who loves weather. The students love going outside and reading the different instruments. They get so excited when the anemometer spins. This weather station is perfect for our unit on weather. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.